everybody, this is Natasha from Mailshake. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Mailshake with the CRM Salesforce. So basically the way that Mailshake works is it'll fill the top of your funnel, and the leads that are generated will get automatically imported into your CRM. So if you were to decide to import contacts from your CRM, all you have to do is go to Add Prospects, and then over here, go Import from App. And then you will choose Salesforce. So you have a few options here. You can choose what type of data you want to import. You can do contacts, leads, or campaigns. If you choose to, you can pull from a specific list in Salesforce, or you can pull contacts from a specific owner in Salesforce. And once you do that, you have the option of either doing just a one-time import, or you can keep them running in the background. So once you generate your leads and they get imported into Salesforce, you have a couple of options. They can be either imported or updated if you have a two-way integration in Salesforce as either leads or contacts. As far as the events, all of the events that take place within the Mailshake campaign, such as sends, clicks, tasks, opens, all of that information will be updated in your CRM. You also have the choice of tracking events for either all of your prospects if you're doing a two-way integration, or just the leads that are generated from Mailshake. So yeah, very easy two-way integration. You have the option of importing contacts from Salesforce and getting them updated into leads, or you can import the contacts via another avenue as a CSV file. And once those contacts become leads, they can be automatically imported into your CRM.